Hey folks, welcome to Professor Rusty's workshop. I am Professor Rusty J. Lugnuts. All right, I'm going to do a birdhouse. I spent part of the day figuring out how to do this and all the parts, and um, just I seen a picture and I was like, we'll figure out how to do it. My lovely shop assistant and myself. So we've got it down. Now we're going to try to shoot an efficient video. All right, so I got my board here, 1x8. 4 foot long. I got it. My lovely shop assistant has marked it all out for me, and I am going to start cutting here. So let's clamp it down and get it done. I know I should, if I had a decent table saw, this thing it's not the greatest. It's cheap, and I'm just going to make a couple of cuts with the skill saw and then maybe um, switch over to the table saw. All right, first piece. This is a non-standard birdhouse. I guess modern-ish. All right, here we go. One by 8, 12 inches. That's the base plate or the roof. The roof is going to be the same size as the base plate. It'll make sense uh, in a minute or in a few minutes. All right, found my safety glasses and just realized that y'all were just looking at me look at wood. Whatever. All right, so I cut two pieces. It's the base plate and the roof. 1x8, 1 foot long. All right, I'll try to reposition it so you can see something. Work with me here. This is new. All right, I'm gonna cut a few of these other pieces now on the table saw, I reckon. Let's see. Need to cut. I'll cut this end piece off first. Let's see. Am I doing this right, shop assistant? Yeah, that's 5.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe one day I'll get a chop saw. I got a push stick around here somewhere. I can move the stuff away. Yeah. I don't like that thing. It's dangerous. All right. Next one. All right. I got to regroup here for a second. All right. We may have a cat join us here. All right, just trying to figure out all my different cuts. Let's go. All right. There we go. Let's see. I'm gonna have to cut this one without that. Freehanding. All right, so these are the side walls. Um, this is the front, the longer side. This is the back. And let me grab the base here. Give you a quick idea. So it's going to go something like this. I still got to make a cut on that one and this one. Dang it. Anyway, it's going to have a back and a front, and the roof is as big, so they have like a little carport. I don't know if they want to drive their car in there. The birds. Yeah. All right, I got to make a couple more cuts here. All right. That one might be. Damn it. That one might be a little crooked. Oh well. All right. This is the back wall. This is the front wall. Yeah. Okay. Back wall. Got to come over. That seems a little long. Maybe not. Back wall. Two side walls. And this is the front wall. Fits in the that high? No, it's this high. Yeah. Well, might need to trim that a little bit. That may get in the way of my roof right there. Yeah. Let me trim that off just a little bit. I cut it a little too long, I guess. Let me see how that looks. Well, I thought I had this all figured out. Yeah, that's better. Set it over a little bit. And this is the back wall, which it also needs to be trimmed off. Damn it. because the roof's going to hit it. It needs to be at least cut down to, I believe it was 20 degrees. At least the corner of it. Okay. I'm still confused. So what else is new? Still confused. All right. So I do need to drill a hole. Got to find something to drill into. There we go. And I need to measure, let's see, mark 2 3/4 with the pencil. Oh, if I could see, and I can't see, let's see. There it is. Thank you. 2 3/4. That ain't gonna work. I can't see that. 2 3/4. And then 3 inches from the bottom to the bottom of the hole. If I could see. Close enough. Come on. Damn. We'll worry about that in a minute. Yeah, I like that hole placement better. All right. Let's see. We got to do the back wall to the side wall. Glue. Yeah, you can. Yeah, I need your help. My lovely shop assistant. And camera assistant. If you'll just put them somewhat together. Watch your Ferengis. Nice and even. That'll work.
Oh, it won't.
No? That'll work. Okay. I wanted to put a hinge on here so you can get in here and clean it out. Um, I don't know if we have a hinge.
That's going to need cut too for your
All right.
carport strips.
Oh well, let's pause and see if we can find a hinge. All right. Well, no hinge. Um, Shop assistant said the birds will throw it out. You know, if they don't like it. Let's throw some glue down on here. Spread it out a little bit. Need. It's getting late. I can't hardly see. That's got to be good.
How many do you get each side?
That's good. It ain't
All
going
right.
anywhere. It ain't going anywhere. All right. Let's see how that looks across the back. I'm
Take
gonna
it off.
throw glue. Oh,
You have to measure your
oh, my chimney.
chimney.
Yeah,
Pencil?
they got to have a chimney. Um, Here's a pen. Whatever, whatever. All right. Let it hang off just a little. Close enough for government work.
Stop. Dry fire twice.
Ah, crap. Are we out? We are out. Hold on.
Came back here a lot.
Yeah, there is a lot of overhang. Let's go right. We just don't want it to dry because there's a little tiny gap right there for ventilation. That should be good. Okay, now for some little dress up pieces. Almost done. Hold that, my lovely shop assistant. Straight. Okay. Pause. Okay. Got to get the chimney in place. And just, yeah. And I'll just nail that in the bottom just to hold it still.
So slow.
Glue will hold on to it. All right, so here is the almost finished. Of course, you had to have a little chimney. I gotta put something out here. Is that good? Oh, sorry, in front of the camera here. Let's turn it.
Not bad. Looks good.
All right, there it is, folks. I don't know, the Flintstone house, modern. I don't know.
I think it's the Flintstone house.
I think it kind of looks like a Flintstone house. I wonder what color. Need to paint it something. I don't think stain.
No.
Need to figure out some colors. Y'all throw some suggestions in the comments, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.